What is green buildings? Is it painted green or there are plants on it, or what is it exactly?
See, a green building is a building which uses less water. It enhances your energy efficiency, conserves natural resources, and generates less waste. So when you look at one part is the material part, second part is it enhances the occupant's comfort in a building. So these are the benefits of a green building over a conventional building. Now when we talk of generating less water or energy efficiency, these are things which are operational. This get operational benefits to the consumer. Means light कमी वापरली जाल्यार बिल कमी येता, उदक कमी वापरल्यार बिल कमी येता. So green building is one step ahead of a normal building where there is a lot of savings during the operations of a building. So greenhouse gas emissions, which are the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, air pollution, these are reduced in a green building. So ultimately climate change which is happening today, global warming which is happening, the first point which we can tackle is a building or a home. If we reduce energy consumption in a building, we are reducing greenhouse gas emissions. So green building is one step towards reducing global warming or climate change.
डिफरन्स कितें आसता आमचे रेग्युलर बिल्डिंग आनी ग्रीन बिल्डिंग जे तुमी स्ट्रक्चर्स डिझायन करता तातूंत डिफरन्स कितें आसता?
See, the building per se is the same. The choice of materials varies. आता आम्ही चिरे वापरता. चिरे is a green building, green material because chiro is a natural material. But can we use chiro unlimited? Chiro is mining. You mine, खणचे पडटा, chiro काडचो पडटा. Can we do unlimited mining today? No. So we come in with smart materials. What are smart materials? Smart materials would be with reusing slag. Okay. Slag is a waste product. So we have fly ash bricks. We also have lightweight walls, which are AAC blocks. We also have paneled walls. Paneled walls means मधी framework असता आणि ताकून दोन्ही साइडीक cement board लायिल्ले असता. So we have got paneled walls. So we are moving into an era of smart materials. We would use, instead of using taps, earlier we used to use taps which were high flow. Today we get taps which are very low flow fixtures. आता आम्ही 5-star हॉटेलांनी वता चालू टॅप करतकूच foam सो येता. So that is reducing your water consumption by 30 to 40%. So the choice of materials which we use in a green building are different. आता पयलीं आमी घरान बल्ब वापरताले. हांव नको कोणे आतांच्या भुरग्यांनी बल्ब सुद्दां पळोवन आसतलो आमचे ते बल्ब लायताले. आतां आमकां LED बल्ब्स मेळटा. LED बल्ब्स गिव्स अस a lot of light for the same wattage. So wattage जेन्ना कमी जाता, watts केन्ना कमी वापरता, तेन्ना energy consumption is reduced. So green buildings is now teaching us to use newer and newer materials. आता आम्ही पळयला की when we go to a toilet पयलीं आमी ते 15 लिटराचे टाके आसताले flush system and all. Today we get low flow fixtures. So dual button असता flushaचे. So 3 liters, 6 liters. Shower heads सुद्धा कमी water use करतात. So all in all we are moving towards an era of consumption and moving towards an era of low energy saving or water saving.
Okay.
And smart buildings म्हणून आता येतात. Smart buildings is another way of you consuming less. So the next era of buildings is going to be smart buildings. So we have to transition fast because today we don't have a cushion where we have to start moving towards the what do you call it? We have to arrest global warming and move back towards a normal routine where we used to enjoy our life with less pollution, less heat, less everything, and this is where green buildings is going to come in a large way.